Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and today's unboxing is a pink box delivery. And as most of you know who watch my channel, this is like one of my favorite lifestyle subscription boxes. This is their Valentine subscription and I did get a little sneaky peek, so I am excited to get in this box. So if you're new to my channel, you picked a good month and time to come and view. So I hope you'll stick around and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. And of course, I do have my big news announcement that my son and his wife are expecting their first baby. So it has been kind of a challenge for them. So they are past the mark where grandma can announce the arrival. They're having a baby girl in June, so I am so excited. So now I can focus all my boxes and subscription boxes on baby boxes. So that will be exciting. So I'm just so excited. So all of you that have watched me and have gone through all my illnesses and everything, this has just given me something to really focus on. So hopefully this COVID will go away so that I can fly to Chicago without having to quarantine for 14 days and be able to see my little grandbaby. They haven't picked out a name yet. You know, that's probably the most difficult part. And so we'll see. So they used to send it in a pink box. Now it just comes with a pink strip, and then the outer packaging is what's so pretty. And this is like $42 with shipping. It's $35 and then they have to add shipping, and we all know shipping is just outrageous. I know a lot of boxes have gone out of business because of shipping and just trying to get their products. So I have to say about pink box delivery, they've never missed a beat. They take the money out and then like a week later they send the box. It comes like the beginning of the month. I think I got this package a few days ago. So they are just like one of the best boxes. So if you're looking for a good subscription box, I recommend this. And they always do like a theme box. So, you know, Halloween's a theme box, Christmas is a theme box, Valentines is a theme box, probably spring. And now I can't get into it, so without trying to kill myself here. So how are you doing? I noticed on the news there's another ice and snowstorm coming in a lot of the people's direction. And being that I'm from Chicago, I do not miss that weather. I don't miss the salt trucks. I don't miss the icy streets. I don't miss taking, 3 hours to go to work that used to take me 20. So I don't miss that weather at all. I do miss like the sledding with the kids, and my sweet little daughter who had a birthday is celebrating that in Spain. They were in the Canary Islands and now they're in Barbados. So yeah, they're just having all sorts of fun. So once you open the box, there you go. They put their cute little pink truck on there, and then they put their sheet, and this is Will You Be My Valentine, with everything that's in there. And I think they put the prices on there. So we'll put that over, and they've got great tissue paper. There's so many goodies in here. And the first thing is this chocolate. It's a hot chocolate on a stick. And for all you chocolate lovers, you know I'm not gonna share. But I don't know, do you stick it in chocolate or you just eat it? Instructions: heat 6 to 8 ounces of milk in your favorite mug dunk your chocolate block. Oh, and then stir it and it makes hot chocolate. Okay, I don't think it's gonna make it that far. I think it's just gonna go into my mouth. And then we have a enamel phone ring. So I guess you just stick it on the back of your phone. So that's kind of cute. I've never had one of those. And these phones are getting like so big they're the size of a purse. Oh, and we got a beautiful lipstick, and it's by Bellapierre, and the color is called Sassy. And I think this is a color that I would wear. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. It looks more orangey than on the outside. Ooh. Can you see that? I'm gonna swatch it because I think I'm gonna wear it. Goes on really nice. Whoops! The box is like hitting the camera. So I do like that, and of course now I have to wear it. Yeah, I think they sometimes will stick a makeup item in there. And then First Love, and it looks like a bath bomb. It smells like bubble gum, like a bubble gum type of thing. And then we have coconut oil deep repair mask. This must be for your hair. And I used a mask the other day on my hair, and I think it was a Korean mask, and they have the best masks ever. You wash your hair, and then you kind of drain your hair, and then you just wrap, it's an actual like, looks like a, what do you call it? Like when you would swim, and you put it around you and all the stuff's inside. And so you leave it on for 15 minutes and then take it off, and your hair is just so soft, and it really works the hair. So this is a hair mask. So this Valentine is looking really good. And then we have the Bellapierre Precious Complete Nail System. My, friend Vicky Week from West Coast Weeks was in town last week, and we did mani-pedis. And I just had a regular manicure, and of course it's worn off, so I just removed the polish. And I was gonna put some of the nail strips on, and that takes me that's an 8-hour day to use those nail strips for me. And so I was thinking of doing that, but I don't know what this nail kit is. So let me. Are you guys doing anything special for Valentine's Day? Do you have a favorite restaurant that you go to dinner? Oh. So we have a nail file. So this is what the kit looks like. Isn't that nice? And then this is a hand body lotion. And this looks like a buffing block. It's like a buffing block. And then this must have been in there and it fell out. And this must be a cuticle oil. So it didn't give you a nail color, but that's fine. I even just put like plain nail polish. And oh, there's more. I'm running out of room here. There is this nice home sign. And what else do we got in here? What a great box. And as I said, it's like $35.99 for the box, and then you just pay for the shipping. And you know, I've been sending out a lot of boxes, and I just can't believe the shipping. It's just ridiculous. And the post office, the lines at the post office are ridiculous. So I think I remember what they were gonna put in here. Wow. As I make a mess. It was like a little handbag. Let me put this up close. Oh, this is so nice. And this little buckle, I think opens the bag. Wow. Oh, and it does have this strap. So if you look in here, this is the inside. It's got the phone pocket, the lipstick. It's got a zipper pocket. I'm just amazed. This is such a nice bag. And it's got the zipper pocket on the back. And then you can, must be where the strap goes. So let me see here. I like that they kind of change it up. You know, we've been getting a lot of same old, same old. I know in the summer they put in like a lot of sunglasses. It's like every subscription box has flip-flops and sunglasses and beach bags, beach totes. So, you know, that's where you have to kind of decide what box you want to keep, because how much of that do you need? But of course, I can't put that on. But it is a crossbody, and I absolutely love this bag. I'm just trying to figure out, oh, here it goes, how to put it back. So you take this and you put it back through here. If that is not the coolest bag, and how secure, because you can't unzip it. Somebody can't come by and unzip it. And then it's got the strap. So just to recap, everything that we got in this bag, and I mean the bag is my favorite item in this box, but I will use it all. So we got, oh, I guess the bag is from Charming Charlie's. I thought they went out of business, but they must be back. And I guess this bag retails for $49.99, so that pays for the box. And the a manicure set retails for $60, and then it comes with the hair mask, the let's see what we got in here, the bath bomb, and the lipstick, and the phone grip, and the chocolate. So this was definitely, to me, a great box. What did you think of it? Please leave me comments below. Let me know what your favorite item was. Let me know if you get this box. I know there's a few YouTubers out there. I think Hi Noel gets this box, but I don't see a lot of unboxings for this box, and I don't know why, because this is a great lifestyle box. And then they send you a like an email with what's going to be in the next box, so you know. So I think it's Mary over at Pinkboxdelivery that runs this box, and she does an amazing job. So thank you as always. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.